So we're here at North Beach Plantation, getting ready to check in. I want to walk you through the check-in process. Of course, you can always tell when you're in the check-in. You can see the carriers behind me. You can see the people hanging out during the day. During the night, there is nobody except you because you're checking in. Hey, how are y'all doing?
Come on, Jake. Come over this way. We don't have a mask
Monitor their beach. Wow, look at the number of people.
Oh, yes, we are. Oh, yeah, check in. No, we already checked in last night. Oh, there was a question. You guys have an upgrade for the pool and how much is it? Oh, my sister's slave down? We froze this movie yesterday. I said, what's her name? Crawford. The only thing that's with the pool is going to be 4 or 5. We have maybe 1 or 2, 3 bedrooms. Everything is 4 or 5 or 3 bedrooms, and they cost a little bit more.
So we just came out of the sales center, give you an idea of where it's located. So we just got to walk straight across here. Here's your sales center. Of course, that's the realty company. So if you want to get a nice property, just to show you how this looks, I'm going to walk out in the center here. There's the Market Street. And of course, this is all from the check-in location we just did. So there is 121 Main again. Here's one of the main entrance for the property. So as you can see there. And the good thing from where we're living, you can walk right out, turn to the left, and you have eating destinations. I know there was Cracker Barrel, McDonald's, and we're right across from Barefoot Landing. So right across the street, you've got the Barefoot Landing Shopping Center. There's the main entrance. And coming around is where we're flowing. So this is the street. There's the drive. So if you're staying on 808, this is what it looks like. And you can see right off in the distance, you can see Barefoot Landing right across the street. So that's the resort for Barefoot Landing. And they call this the Plantation Villa, one of the villas here on the property. So as you can see, the balcony area there, I mean, just sitting on the balcony is very clean. And if you do have to get out, as you can see, you can step right out behind the property. You don't even have to go along the roadway. You can step right out behind the property here. And your restaurants, matter of fact, straight across, you can see the top of the building. That is one of those $99 borrow your beachwear towels and everything. You can do all that right there. So this is 808 there again. Let's make our way in. As you can see, it's a rather rainy day here in Myrtle Beach. There we go. All right, so as we make our way in, first thing you see, let's turn on some lights. Give you a clear shot. So we've got the hallway here, then upstairs. Now, the hallway is very unique in that fashion. We're going to turn on the lights. Got a side door. This is going to be for the garage. So you do have a garage area here. And I'll walk you back through. We're going to take a quick tour. So if you're staying at the beach plantation, this is going to be one of the villas. As you can see, mirrors straight back. So as you come forward, a little bit of a hallway. Then we immediately go right into... Got large screen TV. And you come all the way to the corner. Of course, here is your bathroom. I find it to be very spacious, but at the same time, it's very tidy. They call this one of the cottages. It's your basic setup. And I always love to show this because, as you can see, shower is right by the bath there, which no problem at all. Make our way back out. Queen size or double queens bedroom. Come back around. Additional closet right outside of the double queen sized beds. And the lower bedroom. Now this is all that's on the bottom floor here. So as I come back through, this is a washer dryer, your laundry department, a laundry room. Open both up here. So there again, this is the cottage. Washer dryer there. As soon as you walk in the front door, you're going to make your way back, little art decor. You've got the dual queen size beds. And the only thing that's downstairs is the garage and that one bedroom. So as we make our way upstairs, as you can see, now this is where everything opens up because this is your living area. Now we've actually took the time to cover the furniture here. There's a number of people that have sat on this furniture. So we took the time to go ahead and cover it with a simple cloth sheets. Makes it a little bit more comfortable for us. Large screen TV. And you can tell a little bit of art decor by the owner of the cottage here. And you make your way around. Kitchen area. Full stove, microwave, refrigerator. Everything's ready to go. You've got all of your utensils, things of that nature. Give you a shot looking back from the kitchen area here. Just going to shoot back. So this is your view. Much like most of the homes they're building now, you got the kitchen area, the dining area, an open floor. And over the balcony, well, this is one thing I actually loved about the place. This is very clean when it comes down to it. I mean, you can see floor out here. Got the ceiling fan going on up top there. And very easily seat 4. You can look right over and have a ball with car. Driveway. I guess trash pickup is going to be soon. Everybody put their trash out. They said it was Monday. Of course, this is one you're sharing, a building you're sharing with your neighbors. Got your electrical outlet just in case you need to charge your phone while out eating late at night. Come back in. Give you a quick shot coming from the balcony. Dining area, living area. And then, of course, you go right into your kitchen area. Now, this is 808, I think it's Medina Street. I'll see exactly when I go into the bedroom. Now, this is your master bedroom of sorts. So you've got one king size. This is what's known as a one king size. 2 queen beds. Cottage. We're going to go back over, give you a wide shot of the room here. And of course, this is the door. Every room has a ceiling fan. This is the door that I made my way through. Right behind it here, it's going to be your closet. So you've got your ironing board, a couple pillows. The sofa is a pull-out sofa. So there you go. That is the address there, 808 Medidra Avenue. Close that up. And then, of course, you come on over. Avenue, Drive, Road, Street. It's one of them. And this is your bath area, which is right off of your master bedroom. So you got your dual mirrors there. Dual sinks. Got your shower area. Love the shower. Of course, walk-in shower. Walk right in, and if you're exhausted from your jog, you can sit down and have a moment. Like the way they put the shower head over the seated area. So you can feel those drops on your back to cool you off quickly. And away from the sinks, one other thing that I really love is your bath is away from your sink. So that's very nice. So I'm going to come back through. There's your master bedroom again. Got your closet right off to the right as soon as you walk into the door. We walk back out from the master bedroom. You've got your kitchen, dining, living room, all in one. So this is your top floor. Then when you make your way back down, go down the stairs here. The only thing that's downstairs there again is the bedroom with the double beds and also the garage. And what we're going to do is park the car in the garage as soon as I can open the door here. So you can see the full garage area. We'll go ahead and park it inside. So I hope hopefully you have enjoyed your view of 808 Madija Avenue or 808 Madija Drive. It's one of the couple, but take time. If you're coming to Myrtle Beach, this is just a quick look at your vacation so you can truly enjoy your stay here at Myrtle Beach, especially if you're staying at the North Beach Plantation. So of course, if you're staying here at the North Beach Plantation, the pool this is iconic. This is like a little mini Las Vegas on the holidays. This is a more calm pool area. Go back out to the main entrance here, go down the middle. You've got a ton of kiddie pools. Got adult-only pool with a swim-up bar, which you're going to see right here to the right. So you got your adult-only pool, mini seated area for eating. Of course, if you're living here, you can overlook the pool. See the bar area here, little restaurant area. Got your main pool.
over here and we'll slide one of these over here with us.
Private cabanas.